Alrighty, so we got our Cessna, tail number GBAF. I did not use the proper airport airplane Bravo Kilo Charlie-ness, but that's okay. So, got our Cessna 172 here. All the systems are off. We're just gonna start from scratch. Turn everything on. So battery is good. And, okay. I can hear it booting up. You can see the top of my joystick here. Yes, I am a joystick flyer because yokes are really expensive for some reason. Oh, simulation paused. Okay. Got our fuel going here. And, oh, let's zoom out actually. Speak zoomed in. Okay, here we go. You ready for this? Okay, so let's get our air traffic control crap cleared up here. Is it runway 9? Yeah, it's runway 9. Okay.
India 80 traffic, Cessna Golf Bravo Alpha Foxtrot, Mike is taxiing to runway 9er.
Oh, the frame rate is real. Oh, this frame rate. It's just stopped. Oh my. This is unplayable. Just about unplayable. Okay, this is super bad. What the heck are those, like, bugs? Oh no, that's dirt. I'm smart. That's dirt. Okay. Oh, crap. Okay, oh my goodness me. This lag. Holy crap. So I didn't have, I actually failed at doing this video. I did another attempt, but, I'm doing this one again with a face cam, but that seems to make OBS slow down my computer by a lot. But, it's worth it. Probably. Not really. This lag. Lag is like my pet peeve. I absolutely despise lag. But, we can live with it. Right, people? Oh, shoosh! I overblew that. Because of this darn lag. Okay, we're just gonna say... right straight up. Okay, we're at turn around here, folks. Oh, uh-oh, the frame rate. Oh, I can't, uh-oh. Holy crap. Test the suspension skills of this Cessna. Yes, I have a microphone in my shirt. I think of, but then again, I'm ordering a new microphone like, literally right now. So I will be here shortly for some major improvements to this, because this microphone is just trash. I think I literally bought this microphone for the same price that I'm buying my newer microphone for, and my newer microphone is a lot better. It's a lot better. So we're just gonna stay here about 1,000 feet, and once we're a good distance away, we'll turn and land. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get landing clearance, because in the last video, that's one of the ways I failed. I pretty much got landing clearance like last second. So we'll start trying.
India 80 traffic, Cessna Golf Bravo Alpha Foxtrot, Mike is on downwind runway 2.
Oh, the lag. The lag is purely real. Hope you're not watching this for the frame rate, just for the entertainment. Because if you're coming here for the frame rate, this must be disappointing. Imagine if this frame rate was like life. Imagine if life was 0 FPS. That'd be beautiful. Okay, we're about to get some landing up in here, folks. Oh gosh. It's almost unplayable. I can't even get a line here. Holy crap, this is bad. Let's get some flaps. Is that the flaps button? Flaps button? Do I have a flaps button? No, that's change of view. We don't want that. Crap. Okay, we're good. Oh, this frame rate. Oh my gosh. And I turned the settings off because I knew the OBS would make it laggy. Oh, we're about to clip those trees. That would not be pretty. We're still about to clip those trees. Probably clipped them. I guess this is just one touch and go because I don't think I can do 2 with this frame rate. I don't think I can handle this frame rate anymore. But the other video had a lot. But okay, I guess we're landing short of the runway. That's okay, right? That's totally okay. Totally acceptable. Gives us more time to stop, right? Right? That's how I roll up in here. I need like fraps. I need to download fraps so we can see our FPS. It would be like 2. Oh my gosh, we're spinning out. Okay, I'll call that a landing. 0 frame rate landing. I hope you enjoyed.